Hello and welcome back to the Captain Data System. Today's tutorial is on how to track and check off requirements for Cadre. Upon logging into the system, as a Cadre, your dashboard will display information regarding your requirements. You can easily view how many requirements you have completed and how many you have left to complete. There are two ways to check off requirements. From the dashboard, you can use the quick check off to see which two are next in line to complete. However, you do not have to complete them in any order. These are just the next two in the order they display on the requirements page. If neither are applicable, then either click the See All button or navigate to the requirements page. Let's pretend the quick checkoff has a requirement that you have completed. Simply check the box. The requirement auto updates and saves. Your numbers change, and the next one in line comes into view. If neither of these two apply, you can click the See All, and that will navigate you to the requirements page. You can also simply click the requirements page to view your completed requirements and to view which ones you have left to complete. Here you can check off any completed requirements. It is best practice to check them off as you complete them to stay compliant with requirements of being a Cadre. Also, so you don't forget. Simply click the box to the left of the completed requirement and it will auto-save your updates. Don't worry if you accidentally checked off the wrong requirement, uncheck it, and again it will automatically save your progress. Let's pretend you have completed all your requirements. Navigate back to the dashboard, and once all your requirements have been met, your dashboard will display a trophy to congratulate your achievements. Thank you for watching.